Hello once again. This program is about discovery, right? In lesson 1, you discovered yourself. In lesson 2, you discovered your ideas. In lesson 3, you validated and refined your ideas and selected your top idea. And then in lesson 4, you worked to build an entrepreneurial outlook through the principles of effectuation and lean startup. But there is still one key thing you are yet to discover. Any guesses? I am talking about your customer. Who is your customer? Do you have the answer to this fundamental question? Who is your customer? So this lesson will focus on customer discovery. Discovering your customer is not easy. And a logical start is by understanding the different types of customers and how to target them. This is called segmentation and targeting. Segmentation, targeting, big and new terms. Let us just focus on the terms, then we'll go on to other things. So what is segmentation? Segmentation is the way of chopping up your market. In other words, it is the process of defining and subdividing a large market or your customers into distinct segments having similar needs, wants, or demands. Targeting or target marketing is deciding which potential customer segments your idea or your product or service will focus on. So obviously, marketing segmentation always comes before targeting. It helps you select who you need to market your products to. There is no way you can please everybody. In fact, in trying to do so, you might end up pleasing no one. Also, it is rather expensive to try to sell to a lot than trying to sell to a few. So, select the customer segment that is the best match for your products and services. There are several ways in which you can divide a market. Let's look at each of these ways. First is by geography. You could segment your market by towns or countries. Every entrepreneur will have to answer the question, which geography should I cater to? Many online companies cater to specific geographies. Baidu, Taobao, they concentrate only on China. Yandex and Rambler are search engines only in Russia. Second is by demographics, which could be gender, age, religion, occupation, education, income, or a combination of any of these. Think of L'Oreal. While it makes anti-aging creams for older women, its hair products are targeted at higher income groups. Third is by psychographics or lifestyle segmentation based on interests and activities, irrespective of demographics. For example, Kellogg's targets health-conscious consumers with its products such as Special K. Fourth is behavior, based on user behavior, including patterns of use, price consciousness, and such. Some may use the product daily, while others might use it weekly or monthly. Starbucks segments consumers on the basis of use and has customized offerings for regular users, such as loyalty cards and quick pickups. Fifth is benefits. This looks directly at the benefits customers want. For example, L'Oreal's range of skin creams addresses different benefits such as skin repair, anti-aging, glow, acne reduction, fairness, blemish control, nourishment. You may have identified multiple segments based on any one of these ways. You need to select which segment you will target. Now that you know what is segmentation, it is time to target a market segment. So how will you, a new entrepreneur, select a market segment? There are several ways in which to select a market segment. You can try to sell to the whole market, that is mass marketing. You can try to concentrate on a single segment, or you can try to sell to several segments. There's another way. You can try to sell to a niche, A niche is a very tightly defined set of customers with very specific needs. Here you will be targeting a very small section of the market. In the next video, we will learn more about niche marketing.